No, that says retry. When I gave you a 0, I gave you a retry. Yeah, you can still make it. All right, Josh, have you done your warm-up? Abby, have you done your warm-up?
So it's kind of like a mental breakdown.
Come on, let's get that warm-up done, please. Thank you, America.
Are you sure you're not?
You like or no?
Thank you, Jeannie. All right, let's go over the warm-up.
Yes, my school could be. Like, it barely works anyway. It's cracked all shit. Touchscreen doesn't work. Half my buttons don't work. I don't think these three work. Or this one. I don't have an enter. I have to like press it manually. So it's just kind of. So I was like, it barely works anyways. Because it doesn't even know for me. I'm like, in years like that.
All right, this question is a little tricky.
Take it.
Okay. So, I know it's been a while. Monday, we did vertex form. Vertex form looks like this. So you're going to have a parentheses squared plus a number. Okay? Two of these are obviously in vertex form. Which two are obvious? Abby, up here. Which two are obviously in this form? AJ's telling me 2. This one right here. Got a parentheses squared with a number out front. I mean, behind which one? 5. This one. Very good. 2 of these are tricky because they have zeros in them. Okay? So this one right here. This one right here is x plus 3 squared plus 0. It has a plus 0 at the end. That's vertex form. Okay? So this one is vertex form. This one has a 0 in the parentheses. Because remember, I can add 0 anywhere I want. Adding 0 does nothing. If I add 0 students in here right now, nothing changes. So adding a 0 here does not change it. This is also vertex form. Okay? For this one right here, does anybody remember what the vertex would be? How I get the vertex? What 2 numbers make up the vertex? 2 and 1. Very good. And remember this first number you change the sign of. Okay, so that's why Jeannie said 2 and 1, not negative 2 and 1. Okay? All right, let's look at the next one. Which equation represents the graph? So let's start with the vertex. If my vertex is -3, -1, which one has the right numbers? 1, 2, yes, very good. +3 the opposite of which would be -3, and this -1 stays the same. And that's the only one with that option, so this is my answer. Questions on that one? Okay, let's see where we are. Move my stuff around for me. All right, go to page 137. Page 137. Let's close computers, let's put my phones.
It's one.
137. You have these three equations right here. Okay, so it has three forms. And then underneath, it says, which form would you find the following? So it wants to know x-intercept, vertex, and y-intercept. One of these equations gives me the x-intercept. One of these equations gives me the vertex. One of these equations gives me the y-intercept. Tell me which one, and then tell me what they are. What is the x-intercept? What is the vertex? What is the y-intercept? One 137. Tell me which equation gives me what, and then identify what they are. What is the x-intercept? What is the vertex? What is the y-intercept? 137.
What am I saying right now?
Which one of these gives me the x-intercept?
Trying to guess what?
If you need help, look at page 180. Look at page 180. No, 88.
What?
Not 188. Look on page 88. We wrote down. Good. So now tell me what are the x-intercepts? What is the vertex? What is the y-intercept?
I've heard you.
All right. Which one gives me the x-intercepts?
What?
Which one of these gives me the x-intercepts?
Oh, right here.
Yes, very good. So that's factored form. So number one, factored form. form. And then what are the x-intercepts, Danny?
Standard.
No, what,
Oh, wait.
what,
Oh.
-3, -1.
change the signs. So
Positive
positive
three,
three.
positive 1.
I'll come back. Good, so far so good. Good. All right, most of y'all have done number one and you are correct.
Okay.
Did you go to page 3, Michael?
No, I know, I need.
Okay, so you
that,
can
please.
write this down. I'm gonna write it down for you. I want you to copy this down.
No.
Are you okay? You're okay? No.
I'm about to come see if y'all did number 2, okay?
It's okay. You asked what's number 2. Oh, you asked.
Write that down, Michael, on page 80. Okay, so this is right. So what is the vertex from that equation? What would the vertex be? What numbers? 2, comma, what? -1. Don't change the second one. Good. All right, tell me about the vertex. Good.
I said I'm maybe.
Good.
Right?
Yeah.
All right, so which equation gives me the x-intercepts?
What's that?
It's in May.
Yeah, and I start
Oh,
practice night.
May what?
Factored form. So by this x-intercepts in factored form,
Well, I don't plan to
yes,
factor 4.
the x-intercepts I get from factored form.
I mean, that's what.
And what are those x-intercepts?
It's at 8%.
What numbers? Very good, write that down. 3 and 1. All right, which equation gives me the x-intercepts? Factored form. Yeah. So this one,
8 o'clock. No, I don't think it's.
this one gives me x-intercepts, and what are those x-intercepts? Very good. 3 and 1. AJ, which one gives me the vertex? Very good. And someone tell me what the vertex is. +2, -1. Change the sign of this one, keep that one the same. All right, so then that remains, which one gives me the y-intercept? Which one's left?
Standard.
Standard form. This one gives me the y-intercept, and which one of those numbers is the y-intercept? What number? Which one of those numbers is the y-intercept? 3, the constant. The constant, the number without the variable, gives me the y-intercept. All right, 138, the next page. All right. All right, let's start. They gave me two equations. Here are my two equations. Look up the top of your page. These are the same equations you have. How are they alike? How are they different? What's the same about them? What's different?
The numbers.
What numbers are the same?
X and 4.
Very good. The 4 and 10 is the same. The negative 4 and 10 is the same. But what's different?
What's the what?
What's different? What's not the same?
The Q and the.
Oh, I can't.
Okay, they're different names. This one's equation Q, that one's equation P. What numbers are different? The 1/2, and what number would we say this is? Negative 1, okay? So this one has a 1/2, that one has a negative 1. The fact that the 4 and the 10 are the same tells me what about both of them? Because the 4 and 10 are the same, what does that tell me about both of them? What parts of the graph are the same? Abby's getting us on the right track. What form are these equations in? Nope. These are vertex form. So both of these equations have the same vertex. And their vertex is what? 4, comma. Abby, you're just guessing. 4, comma, 10. Both of them have a vertex of 4, comma, 10. Okay? All right. Beneath this, they gave you a graph. They gave you a graph. How many points are on this graph? 2. How many do you need, Josh? No, don't draw on my desk. How many points do I need to draw a parabola? Yeah, how many do I need to draw a curve? 3. So they've given me 2 points, but I need a third. Okay? They're telling me that these 2 points are for P. I want you to think, this isn't necessarily something we've talked about before. How could I get that third point without putting it in Desmos? Have the equation, I have 2 points. How could I get that third point? Just think.
Really?
Yeah.
You don't know it though? Does he? There's no last seconds.
Can I go up your right?
Anybody got any ideas?
Can I go after Abby?
Next was Mackie.
Oh,
But Abby asked after me.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Can I go after Izzy?
Okay, I'll write down a list in a second.
Would it be negative?
Abby, write down a list.
Say it again.
Would it be negative 4?
Maggie.
Negative 410.
Because it's a vertex and
Oh.
the vertexes go on a.
Oh, I see what you're saying. He is here, but not in class. He's skipping right now. All right.
What if he you went home early.
I said, come in right now. Oh, I'm going to the bathroom, miss.
Oh. Me.
And then America. All right, Carmela is getting us on the right track.
Go home.
Carmela suggested -410. Here's where we need to adjust what Carmela is thinking. Carmela thought this is the vertex. It is not. This is the vertex.
Oh. I see it now.
So where is the third point? I'm going to give you a hint. Parabolas are symmetrical. This parabola has a line of symmetry right there. Tell me when you see it. Where do you see the third point? Any guesses?
Is it in between 6 and 8?
Say it again.
Is it in between 6 and 8?
Close. Close. Both of you are close. Okay, it's somewhere over here. How far is this from that?
4.
4. We want to now go 4 on the other side. Where would I be if I go 4 on the other side? 8, -6. Very good. Draw that point. I call these mirror points. They are mirrors of each other. Okay? This can be true for any point on the parabola. Okay? So if I have a point here, its mirror is there. This is a distance of 1, that is a distance of 1. Y'all looking? Because you visually got to see what I'm talking about here. If I have a point here, I have a point here. What's the distance here?
2.
So what's the distance here? 2. Okay? All right. We're now going to graph the second graph. What do we know about Q? What do we know about Q?
Multiplying everything by half instead of a negative.
Okay. Yes, it has a half instead of a negative. What do these two equations have the same? What was the same? The vertex. The vertex was the same. Maggie. So I know Q starts here. Okay? If I have an equation, how can I always get a point? What's a process I can always do to find an x and a y on a graph if I have an equation?
Put a number into the spot until you find it.
Plug in a number, plug in an x, and then the number you get out is the y. I'm gonna hand out some calculators. We're gonna do this together. So we're gonna pick an X, we're gonna plug it in, and that's gonna give me a Y.
So we're putting in the calculator.
I'm gonna show you how to put it in the calculator. Okay. So we're gonna be plugging into this. Instead of 1/2, we're gonna say 0.5. I'm gonna have each of you graph a different, plug in a different number, or each table, I should say. Danny's table, y'all are gonna make X 0. So type this in exactly this way with a 0. AJ, 1. Michael, 2. America, your table, 3. Addison, your table, 5. Jeannie, your table, 6. Y'all are typing it in exactly this way, but where that X is, you're gonna put the number that I gave you. I wanna see everybody plug it in. 0.
10
If you need help, I'll come help you. Oh, 0.5, not -5. Yeah. Michael, did you say miss? Oh.
So then it's halfway.
Yeah, that sounds right. Sorry, I'm having trouble with my computer.
It's a 12,
Yes.
because you told me to do number 2.
2. Well, yes. All right, let's write down our answers. Danny, somebody at your table, tell me what you got when you plugged in 0. What'd you get? 18. AJ, what'd you get?
Oh, no, wait.
All right, Michael told me his was 12. AJ, tell me when you got it. America, what did you get?
10.5.
Addison or Carmela, either one of you, would you tell me what you got?
10.5.
Say it again.
10.5.
10.5. And Jeannie or Amaya, what'd you get? 12. AJ, do you need help? That is right, 14.5. Okay. Here's what I now want you to do. Pick one of these, graph it, and then graph its mirror. So you have 6 points to choose from. Graph it and then graph its mirror. About to come around, see how we did. All right. See how we did. All right, so you need to graph one of those points in green and then do its reflection.
In green? I
Yeah,
kind
we're
of did. I did.
Because we're now graphing this.
Oh,
So you need to graph one of these and its reflection. Carmelo, you too.
I did.
Oh,
is it these?
oh, okay. Oh, perfect. You did it.
Because you told
Okay,
me
so
to cut
you-
it in half and then.
10.5.
Because if I cut it in half, it's only
Okay,
one square.
Yeah. So you did 212. Okay, so Carmela, the thing that, and you did this a second ago, you don't want to reflect it this direction. You want to reflect it this direction. Yeah, good job. Sorry, I didn't even see either of y'all. You did your points and I didn't see it. Good job. All right, America, did you graph yours in a reflection? Can you graph one of those points in green and its reflection? So pick one of those points in green, Michael, and graph it for me. You see what I'm talking about? Pick one of those and graph it. Okay, I'm gonna come back. And Jen, did you graph yours? Perfect. Here we go. 18. No, you did great. That's perfect. Yeah. I'll be there in a second.
I'm not raising my hand. My head was just there.
Good, good. So now,
Still with a regular hand.
Michael, we're gonna reflect this point over that. So you see how this is like 2 away? Now go 2 away over here. Okay, so you see this is a distance of 2, right? So go 2 over here. So where's this point? Up one. There you go. You see it's reflected. See how this reflected over there? Okay. Did y'all graph it? Good. Now reflect it, Audie. Okay.
Just a line?
Wait. Audie, 10, 18 is over. Yeah, look, oh, 0. Oh, that, okay. Yeah, so now reflect it over here. Danny, plot 0, 18 real quick. Right here. Very good.
It's kind of a curve, but yeah, so draw a line.
So now, on the line, Danny,
Find where it goes on the other side.
on that line. So think, Danny, I want to now flip it over this way. So where, yep, and we need to be precise. This is a distance of how much?
Take the opposite of it. So it's actually right there, it's in the middle.
I count this direction. No, from this finger to here, this direction.
Do one more time.
4. So now go 4 over here. Alexis, he's not a teacher in this classroom right now. What do you need? No, he checked out. So Danny.
Belt. Wait.
All right.
My hand is just here.
We're gonna go ahead and do our exit slip. Did you get it, America? Let me see. Let me see. Okay, so you need to graph one of those points that's in green. Because you're about to have to do this on your pick which point you want to graph.
I don't know.
Pick. Tom?
Just give a.
Do 212. Do 212.
Kind of obvious.
212.
Uh-huh.
That's right there.
Very good. Put it down there. Now, reflect this over here. Perfect. You got it. Yeah. All right. You are now going to do this at your table on your exit slip. I'm going to pull it up. We still have another activity, but your exit slip is what we just did. So I want to go ahead and have you do it. Okay, you're going to do the exact process we just did. I'm going to write it up here. Your equation is up there. Y equals x minus 3 squared plus 2. You're going to graph the vertex. You're going to find another point by plugging in. And then you're going to graph its mirror. I'm going to give you one sheet of paper for each table. And y'all have got to do these 3 steps for that equation. Okay?
Amaya and Jeannie, did I come check to see that y'all graphed and did the mirror?
Which ones?
Again. Yeah. Let me come back. Let me give you another chance.
I always forget I have people and stuff that text me. I'm like, oh, here, I have your stuff. They're just like,
I forgot about that.
They're just like, yeah, I've had it for like.
Amaya, let me see. Where? Okay, so Amaya graph. Oh, I erased them.
You don't know it's easy to hear what the Bible is saying.
Graph 612. It was 612, not 6.
No, because me and the Bible, we have Coach B.
So now you see you want to take this point and move it over here. All right, Jeannie, y'all do it together, okay? Amaya, participate.
Who's that? Huh? Oh my God,
Okay, wait, Carmela, you and Addison need to do your assignment, and then American Izzy need to do theirs, and then y'all can go.
Okay, cool.
What if they move over here and we do it as a big one?
I want first one math to be done, and then y'all.
Alright, what do we got to do?
With
You didn't even give us a
vertex
picture.
form, I guess. Got the vertex.
For
It's on the board. It's the one that's y equals x minus 3. So it'd be
so we just like
it's,
plot a random point.
so it's the vertex would be positive 3, positive 2.
Yeah, go start with that.
They want to deliver if you're over 51 per cat, like anything. So I did 2 separate orders, both was $50, and we just delivered it at the same time. And they were like, both orders come to something. This was
Did I what?
See my email, I sent it like last week.
I think so.
Or this week, I don't know.
Can you pull it up for me? Because it's possible I know what happened. You go on your email and show it to me?
I don't think I was here that day. I don't remember.
No, pull it up in your email. Oh, you got it?
I'm tired of seeing it.
Wait, but you said you sent your email through, Echo?
You just gotta do this.
Can you, go to email.
Wait, so B, A and B are like the numbers that we have to choose from?
Oh, I guess that is it.
Thanks.
Yeah, maybe? I'm unsure.
Yeah, but it went up.
Your email is verified.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, just send me an email with, you need another try.
I'm not.
Oh, well, then you can read, but it says you've already submitted, so I need to give you another try. See? Send me an email and I can give you another try.
Not Abby. Yeah, yeah, it
And that's how, so A and B, are those part of this or no? On the board?
All right.
I thought I was checking for a second. And once she gave us the answer.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm sorry, I'm having computer problems. I think I just lost all the work I did during my off hour. I'm very upset right now. It's on the board. There's your problem. Here's your problem. Start by graphing the vertex. On that paper. Yeah. All right. Okay, it doesn't matter because it doesn't erase nice. You see, it looks like this. I don't know. I don't want you drawing on my desk. End of story. I'll do it later. But right now, look, here's your problem. Graph the vertex. Okay? All right, let's see how we do. Good. Y'all know what you're doing? Good. +2 Addison. Good, good, perfect.
You know you're not dating the driver. What do I could pick her?
Start, you are gonna pick a number, but start by graphing the vertex. What's the
You know how
vertex?
good shape I've already been.
Start by with that, and then pick a number.
And then I pick whatever.
And then you pick any number, yep.
Oh, he was like, you know.
I didn't say that.
Yes, you did. What you say? I just.
You're not supposed to. Oh, shit, no, hold on.
You, yeah,
not-
exactly,
no, 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 no.
exactly.
You're slow.
He's
No,
slow,
I'm
he
slow.
was, he
I'm
was
slow. I didn't say that. I didn't say
All right, Danny's table, did y'all plot your vertex?
What about this one? 4.
B3. Wait, but it's, 4 is the first one. Hold on, I did that wrong. What was the answer to that one?
3.
Not even the quarterback.
Damn. I've never been so wrong. I mean, it's not that it's wrong, it's just not
Weird
avoided.
looking, yeah.
It's more like a line
No, it doesn't matter.
or a box if you really want to do that. I don't know. I think your numbers are right though.
It's like three. Three.
Is that it?
Also, there's more. And
I don't think, okay, something went wrong.
3, 2 is the middle one.
Okay, what are these ones?
Those are the ones that I guessed, which was 4, 3.
Okay, so 4, 3. Did you guess or you plugged it in? You got
Oh, I plugged it
4. So 4, 3. You plotted it wrong. That's what happened.
Oh,
So,
I went up
and
2
you-
instead of 3.
There, you see your mistake now too.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wait, no, yeah, y'all got it. I'm gonna unlock it in just a second, and y'all can rate each other.
Okay.
A for effort.
Who got 1.51? Can you show me how you put it on calculator? Then how do you get that number? Okay,
where?
so we gotta take it out and plug in. So y'all tell me, what's the number y'all wanna plug in that's close to 3? Say it again. 1. All right, so let's go to our, both of you pick up your calculators. I'm looking at it, that equation. There's parentheses, 1. Now type in the rest of the equation.
Give me an answer.
Good.
Okay. So take your answer.
No.
Take your answer. Read the answer.
Yeah,
Read it
press
and
enter.
read it.
Okay, so plot 1, 6.
So tell me.
Uh-huh.
I know she ain't.
Now, I want y'all to find the
Because
mirror.
you're confusing this shit. Okay.
Going Gene, got this backwards. 3, 2.
What? No.
Okay, now I want y'all to find the mirror that's over here. Okay?
All of the codes.
Great, I'm about to, open it up and y'all can rate each other.
It was already open.
Oh, it is? Y'all are able to, okay. Addison, y'all should be able to get in there.
I want to say.
Good. Now, did you, did you pick a number and plug in? That's what you said.
To be 5 when it's 3 squared.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. Yes, parentheses.
So would you?
Good. So graph 5, 6.
Is it just the next thing?
Well, with your scale, 6 would be right here. Up. Yeah, on that dot. Right there. It would be right there. Just look, 4, 6, 8. Okay, now, America, do the reflection over here.
What'd you think? Oh, yeah. We'll buy you something after this, huh?
Well, how far is this point from here? There you go. Good.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
All right. And that's it. Put your name on it. Yeah, and I'll pick it up. All right, did y'all, Jeannie, put your phone up? Okay, so did y'all reflect 1, 6? So here's my line that cuts my parabola in half. So this point has to go over there. Where does it go?
I see 10 on
Yes, exactly. Because here's what we look at. What's the distance 2, and then what's the distance here? 2. See it, Jean? All right, I'm gonna put this up in a second, I'm gonna all right, did you plot the vertex? What's the vertex? Y'all look at it. 3 what? No, you want the opposite of that. 3, 3, 2. Plot 3, 2. Okay. We're now gonna pick a number and plug it in. Don't pick a number close to 3. 2, okay. So to your equation, parentheses 2. Parentheses 2. And then type the rest of your equation. Parentheses. Good. So now grade 2, 3. Now reflect that point over here. Too far. This line, there you go. You see how it's like symmetrical? See, like, so I like to draw an axis of symmetry right here. What's the distance here? This is a distance of 1. What's the distance here? 1. So just to test y'all out, if I have a point here, Danny or Josh, could y'all reflect them over the other side for me? Way too far. How far is it? There you go, right there. See, look, what's this distance? Oh, 2. Well, okay, Danny, from here to here is 2.
Oh.
And then from here to here is 2. See?
1, 2.
Talking about this
1,
distance
2.
right here is 2. So this distance. Okay?
Generally, this is
Table this out here. All right. Here's the next thing we're gonna do. In your book, go to page 140. We've got one more thing to do. 140.
Yeah, he's definitely slow today.
140. All right, Carmela, come back to your seat for me. Page 140. I'm gonna pick up. All right. Josh, Abby. America.
Does she already have us rate each other or something?
You have to do yours as well, though. Live stream on YouTube.
You've never heard of the
No.
Really?
It's going from the bottom camera for some reason.
There's a bottom camera?
Yeah, it's for like if you're in the tablet mode. But it's like the default one for YouTube or something.
All right, on page 140 and 141, I can see 6 graphs, and it has a spot for equation and explanation. This is going to be a matching activity. I'm going to give you 6 equations, and I'm going to give you 6 graphs. You have to match them up. Let me check
That's not
them,
me.
and then copy your answer in here with your explanation.
I hate the new Chromebooks.
This is the last thing we're doing today. Okay? All right, you're gonna do this as a group too. Make sure I check your equations and your graphs before you start copying it in your book. because you don't want to have it wrong. And I'm gonna come pick up the work y'all just did. Make sure both of your names,
We
all
have
three
to
of your
rate
names
ourselves though,
are
right?
on your paper.
We have to rate ourselves too.
Page 140. Oh, that was not in the book.
Hey, put your limits.
Are we sorting things now?
I guess. Oh, man. I hate sorting games.
Well, if they were trying to mix them up, they didn't really do a good job of that.
Are these already sorted?
I think so.
When you have them matched up, let me come check your
I have
answers.
to match them?
No, I gotta do more. That one's a +4.
I really don't need this.
I don't know, isn't that +4?
No, not yet.
Will I be 2 plus yet 2 4? There's no 2 for these. There's this one. Do you have to solve these?
I don't know. Maybe, but that one's +4, so I'm putting it right there.
Alright.
Because that's a lot of brain work. This one's -4. This one's also -4.
Abby, would you check the door for me, please?
2.
I don't know.
It's so complicated.
I know, but I can't.
And I took one.
I don't know whether the depressed children in the corner.
Feels like fake flipping and arms, like, look how big I am.
No, these are both -4. This one's -1. Maybe. I think these are both -1. Because it's not quite at the line.
Oh, I'm coming, Maggie.
don't think this
Y'all let me
one's
know
got
when you're ready for me to check it.
It's in both positive.
So
That one is, yeah. So I think
this one's plus 1. This one's also plus 1.
Yeah, you mix these two.
I think this one goes with
That one's plus 1.
yeah, this one is yeah,
We got the 2 plus.
So if that's negative, it's upside down. So you see how this is a negative? This is upside down. This is negative, it goes upside down. There you go. All right, so y'all start copying these answers in your book. Okay, this is right. Yep. Okay. What is the vertex on this equation? -4 and negative 1. So you take out this -1.
okay. This one is -1, -4. So
Has a vertex
that's it.
at -1.
Hopefully.
What about this one?
Yes.
I think that one's it. 'Cause it's plus
No, no,
4
no, it's
and
this
plus 1.
-1.
And it's also hopping by 2 right here. So it'd be 1.
That one's right too.
Yeah, so I guess we're finished.
Yeah. Good.
We're done, miss.
All right. Keep going. Look and see what's the vertex of the equation and then match it up. You got it backwards. So I want -1, -4. This is -4, -4. -1,
Oh, there's two left.
No, that
Oh,
was,
look what's saying.
no, that was.
Yeah, you got it. You got, keep going. You're halfway there.
Oh, I think this one's the other one.
Yep.
Yeah, no, it ain't right.
Why didn't you take lunch? You were up there.
These ones.
You lost it, girl.
You almost got these two.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all got these two next up.
What does your bracelet say?
So what's the
Boobies
vertex
make me
here?
smile. It's a breast cancer awareness thing that I got from Spencer's.
Which one of these has a vertex of 1?
They asked me to donate for breast cancer, and then I didn't know I got a bracelet. So I just got the bracelet, and then I read it afterward when my grandma
Alright,
asked
so
what
what
I
you're gonna
wanted.
do is now copy these into your book. Okay?
I still like it.
Anybody else need me to check theirs? You guys? Oh, I can already, nope, that's good. Sorry, I almost said. Okay, this is good. This one's good. Okay, we got some. This one's good. Let me see that one. This one's good. So let's see here. So y'all mix up your X and your Y. What's the vertex here?
-1.
-4, 1. Which one has a vertex of -4, 1? No, you got it backwards. Look. -4, -1. See, this
is -1, -4, okay? So, page 140, copy your equations and your graphs into the book, okay? Ramon, go back to your seat. Y'all put your phones up. Don't have to laugh.
I don't get.
This is right.
And now we gotta fill out a worksheet.
Right. Ramon, go back to your seat.
This one?
This one is right. This one is right.
I haven't got the barbecue.
I did that.
Wait, hold on. This one is right.
I think
Right?
So these two are missing.
Oh.
There you go.
So on page 140, there's a place to copy each equation and each graph.
On board.
Okay?
I go back.
Yes.
Eric. I won. I won.
Have you written this one down?
I feel like every time I'm I think math is a subject.
You doing this one?
He definitely don't need. I'll be back.
Yeah. Maybe Batman.
Yeah. Every city.
We have the other class. On your voice.
No, they don't. It's like someone who did because when they came out.
I want them, but
I think I got all of them.
Same price you found it for? $2.
Fuck yeah. All right, today. You have Monday?
No.
All right, tomorrow. Shit, Monday.
Okay.
Monday.
High school man?
You got college.
What did you say? You said I think it was high school.
Oh, that's all? Yeah.
Just me.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Smart touches.
He said he wants to be
It's my keyboard, it spazzed out, it was broken, it spazzed out, and that wasn't supposed to be there.
That's it.
Right.
That's it.
So now I gotta try to get that away, and I'm just trying to put
Yeah.
The touches go crazy.
it goes even crazier when you can't use half your keys. And then you just sit in there struggling. See? Sometimes
You were like, well, no, it's not that like me and her, we were cool.